Good evening, everybody. This is Karthikeya from CSCB. The topic is database server in a data management. So, what is database servers? So, it is similar to the data warehouse, which stores which where the website store or maintain the data information. But the database server is a computer in a LAN, which means local area network, that is dedicated to database storage and retrieval. The database server holds the database management system DBMS in the databases upon request from the client machines. It is such the database for selected records and passes them back over the network. What is database server? It is similar to the data warehouse, which the websites store or maintain the data information. And database server is computer in a LAN, which means local area network. It is dedicated to database storage or retrieval. Database server can be defined as a server dedicated to providing database servers, such as such a server runs the database software. The database server can typically be seen in a client server environment where it is provides information stored by the client system. Database server is useful for organizations that have a lot of data to deal with on a regular basis. So it is useful mainly for the organizations where WHO, UNO, some big organizations, because they have lots of data dealing regularly. So they need to process their data regularly. So the database server is useful to process the data easily, so they can deal with that they can deal with the data uh, regularly. If you have client server architecture where the clients need process data too frequently, it is better to work with a database server. Some organizations use file server to store the process data. A database server is much more efficient than a file server. So not only the organization stores their data in database servers, and they also store in the file servers to store and process the data. But but the fact is the database server is more efficient than the file server. Uh, in database network, the client executes SQL request to the database server. The network database server processes the client database request and executed answers of SQL command and come back over the network computer. The whole concept, database server serves its own power to process the request or search the related result. The database server, sometimes also known as SQL engine. So the data, the database network, the client execute the request or the question to the data server. The network, the database server process the client's database request or the question and the execute answers of the SQL command, which given by the client. In the whole concept, server serves its own power to process the request and search the related result, which means it uses its own ability to process the request and search the requested result. And it is also sometimes also known as the SQL request engine, which um, because it's process the request and search the related requested result. In database functions are controlled by the database server. Any type of computer can be used as database server. It may be microcomputer, mini computer, or mainframe computer. In large organization network, the mainframe computer are used as a server. Some people refer the central DBMS function, which means database management system, as a backend function, whereas the application program on the client computer as front-end programs. We can say that client is the application which is used to interface the DBMS, while the database server is DBMS. So some people refer the central database functions as the backend functions. The database server manages the recovery security service for DBMS. It enforces the constraints that are specified inside the DBMS. It controls and manages all the clients that are connected to it. It handles all database accesses and control functions. So the database server manages the recovery security services of the DBMS. It manages the recovery security of the services of DBMS and enforce the constraints that are specified in the DBMS. It controls and manage all the clients that are controlled to it. It handles the database access and control functions. It provides concurrent access control. It provides better security and server hides the DBMS from the client. So it provides a better security to the client's data and server hides the DBMS from the clients. It provides a multi-user environment. So we can it is not a single user. We can it can it available in multi users according to the convenience, like 2%, 3%, 4%, many. Several users can access the database simultaneously. So several users can access the database at a time. All the data is stored on the data server. Therefore, the DBA can easily create the backup of the database. So when all the data stored on the data server, the DBA can easily create the backup of the database, which means it can store the data and also can create a backup of the database. The standard called ODBC, Open Database Connectivity, provides an application programming interface API, which allows client-side programs to call the DBMS on the server side. For this purpose, necessary software should be installed on both sides. So to run all these, there will be a software should be installed necessarily on both sides. Hence, a client program connects the database server and send requests using ODBC application programming interface. The server processes the queries and send back the result of queries to the client program, which are processed by the client computer. Thank you so much.